You are an idiot if you're not making faceless videos yet. Faceless videos are making money. This is one of the pages that has 4.2 million followers from 1,181 posts. Even I have over 1,500 posts and my followers are less than 150,000. So what should we do? Two things, only two things. Number one, find a role model you want to follow in your niche. It can be this, it can be other. So if you choose this page as a role model, then here is the way to go. First, you follow, you model their videos. So choose one video. Let's say this one got 796,000 views. Let's watch.
This is my side hustle. I clean dirty pools and make $400 per house.
Brother.
Wait, first watch this video. Then I'm gonna break down the video how it is made and how you can make using nothing but your mobile phone.
Here's an easier side hustle to get to live the life I'm living right now. Pull up ChatGPT and ask it which niche is currently trending. Then go to dropship.io and find a product in that exact niche and generate a free Shopify store in minutes. Now you have a product to sell and a store ready. Time for the marketing. Head to Fiverr and contact a cheap marketer. Let them create your ads and scale it on Facebook the next day. Drop a W for more free game.
This.
Done? Right. Now let's go and break down the video one by one. First, I'm gonna mute it. Every video, when you want to model it, mute the video first and see how the video is made. So I'm gonna mute and see, and I will explain step by step. Step number one, this is a B-roll. It came from another viral video, definitely because they're using it as a hook. So this is my side hustle, and I clean dirty pools and make $400 per house. Now this came from another video. So you download that kind of video, make a piece like this. Then this part that we are looking at right now, it's an additional hook to hook you for the next section of the video. Now comes the main content part, and look at what they are doing. Pointing with the finger and shooting computer screen with mobile phone camera. Whatever they are doing on the computer screen, they're shooting it with their phone. Now, what are the secrets of making this kind of video? There are only two steps and only two secrets. Number one, find a role model that fits you, that goes with you, your persona, your choice, your industry, your niche. Second is give pauses. Breathe when you start and give pauses. So you're not on the camera. How easy it is to make video with your phone. This video has a complete AI generated voiceover. Let me show you.
Shopify store in minutes. Now you have a product.
This is an AI voiceover and its name is Adam. Very famous voiceover. And you will probably find some store. All right, guys, I'm gonna use my application, AI Prompter. First of all, I'll show that this is the product. We found it on Alibaba.com. It costs $8.5. And then we will show that this product is sold in this website at 2,300 or 2,400 UAE dirhams, which is around $800. Then we will say that you can make tons of profit using Shopify store and driving traffic to it, but there is a catch. Shopify charges you a lot of money to run your store. Plus, we will make an image, draw hyper realistic image for advertiser paying money to Facebook for ads. I'm just going to use this image for demonstration. Well, it looks nice. I'm going to show this image that you need to pay from your card to Facebook for ads. So let's shoot. I'm going to use my own application called AI Prompter. It's a mobile app, plus it's a web app. So I'm going to start a new campaign. I can use the same new campaign right here. I'm going to select a category and continue. Oh, campaign name. It's Humidifier. I don't need to do from anything, just write from scratch. So first, step one, find the product on Alibaba. List it in your store on Shopify or build a Shopify store and run ads when people buy at higher price. Show example, order from Alibaba supplier at a lower price. They ship, you earn the difference as profit. Now I'm gonna save this. I'm gonna continue with this script. Now this campaign is saved and I can use my computer. You can see the script is in front of me. I can just read and record, or I can use my phone, and in the phone you can see the humidifier. So I'll just tap record video. Now I can record video. The reason I'm doing this is because the script is in front of me, so I will not make any mistake. Now this is one thing. The second thing is this software has built-in silence remover. So I will keep silences. I will give pauses when I speak and make the video. Then the application will do the rest. Okay, I don't need the web application, so I'm gonna close it. I will come back if I need it. Now I will start. So first I'll go to find the product. First go to Alibaba.com and find the product. This product is available at $8.50. Then go to Shopify.com and build your online store. You can start for $1. Then pay Facebook to run ads to your online store. When people buy at a higher price, now this site is selling for around $700. Collect the cash and pay the supplier to ship the product to the customer and keep the difference as profit. However, there is a catch. Shopify is not cheap. After 1 month, you have to pay a lot of money just to run your store. And Facebook advertisement will cost you money for every visitor, whether you make sales or not. This is absolutely not beginner friendly, and that's why we don't do this. We do high-ticket affiliate marketing with 100% free traffic, and the best part, for which our beginner students who are making money love our program, is because it's 99% done for you. To learn more, check the link in my profile, and I'm basically done. So all I'm going to do is tap this, and the application is now detecting silences. All right, guys, my video is ready. Look at this. Is available at $8.50. Go to Shopify.com, build your online store, and start for $1. I'm just going to tap next, and it says I want to continue or not. I would say continue. And now the application is going to render the video. First go to Alibaba.com and find the product. This product is available at $8.50. Then go to Shopify.com and build your online store. You can start for $1. Then pay Facebook to run ads to your online store. When people buy at a higher price, now this site is selling for around $700. Collect the cash and pay the supplier to ship the product to the customer and keep the difference as profit. However, there is a catch. Shopify is not cheap. After 1 month, you have to pay a lot of money just to run your store. And Facebook advertisement will cost you money for every visitor, whether you make sales or not. This is absolutely not beginner friendly, and that's why we don't do this. We do high-ticket affiliate marketing with 100% free traffic, and the best part, for which our beginner students who are making money love our program, is because it's 99% done for you. To learn more, check the link in my profile.